Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to publish Google Sheet on web. Friends, due to any reason if you want to publish your Google Sheet data on internet like a website, then you simply need to open drive.google.com. In your Google Drive, open the file you want to publish on web. This is the file which I want to publish on web. So to do so, you need to click on file. Now here click on share and in share click on publish to web. Now here you can select entire document or a sheet. I am having only one sheet by the name sheet 1. After selecting the option, click on publish. Click on OK. Now this is the URL. You just need to press Ctrl C to copy this. Now we will open it on our web browser. Now in new tab, paste the link by pressing Ctrl V on your keyboard and press enter. So friends, as you can see, it has opened our Google Sheet data just like a website. Also, one thing I want to add, if I made any changes in my Google Sheet data, then it will be updated here automatically. I just show you. I will open my Google Sheet file. Here I will make some changes. Now I will reload the page. Now friends, as you can see, our data is updated. So friends, like this you can very easily publish your Google Sheet on web. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.